Hi, in this video we are going to see the NIT recruitment notifications regarding the faculty as well as the non-teaching positions. And I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are having only post-graduation. Why? Because with undergraduation or the post-graduation, even though if you are a fresher, okay, with post-graduation, you can apply for the faculty positions, and while coming to the non-teaching positions for undergraduates also, the vacancies are there. Fine. That we are going to see in detail in this video. And in the faculty positions, the candidates who are having only post-graduation, those candidates will get 63,000 rupees per month, and with PhD 70,000 rupees per month. And coming to the non-teaching positions, different vacancies are there, and the salary is up to 70,000 rupees per month. Fine. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates, the subjects did not cover in this video, please mention your subject in the comment section so that I will come up in my next video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. Regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, here the college is National Institute of Technology Mizoram. So from this college here we got the 2 recruitment notifications. One is regarding the non-teaching position, and second one is regarding the faculty positions from the different departments. Of course, both these two on the contractual basis or the temporary basis only. And first we will see the brief advertisement, okay, and then we will go to the in details regarding these notifications. So first of all, coming to the non-teaching positions, the employment notice dated on 14th July 2021. So applications are invited from eligible candidates of Indian nationals for the following non-teaching contractual basis positions: for assistant register, software developer, and the deployment engineer. So for each and every department, one vacancy is there, and these are under the unreserved category. So any candidate may apply, guys. And application form along with the essential and desirable qualifications, consolidated remuneration, all these things will get in the official website that I will show you. The duly filled in application form along with the necessary documents shall be submitted online to registrar@nitmz.ac.in on or before 6th August 2021. Fine. So it is the details regarding the employment notice for the non-teaching staff. And coming to the teaching staff, that you may check down here. NIT Mizoram invites application from dedicated and qualified candidates for temporary faculty in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical, Computer Science, Civil. The details you can download from the official website. So now we will see the in details regarding this one. Okay. So first we are going to see the employment notice in details regarding the engagement of non-teaching staff on a contract basis. So here the last date, as I told, that 6th August 2021, and the prescribed application fee is 500 rupees and 200 rupees for the SC, ST and EWS applicants on submission of supporting certificate, and the details on fixed remuneration, the period of engagement, minimum and other qualifications given in Annexure 1, and the prescribed format of application is given in Annexure 2, may be downloaded from the NIT Mizoram website in A4 size paper. Fine. And for online payment purpose, here the details are given. Okay, National Institute of Technology Mizoram account number, State Bank of India. Right. So IFSC code is also mentioned here. And payment through physical instruments like DD, check, cash, etc. will not be accepted. Okay. And coming to the subjects as well as the qualifications, anyhow, I will provide the official website link in the description box of this video, so you please check down all the remaining details. And here the selection will be based upon the interview, guys. There is no written test and all. Okay, interview for the shortlisted candidate shall be held online, and that means you need not to go to the college physically. By simply sitting in your home or office, you can attend for the interview, because it is an online interview. And the complete application, that is application form in Annexure 2, supporting documents may be submitted online to the register NIT Mizoram, okay, in the email address on or before 6th August 2021. Okay. and application shall be submitted by superscribing the post applied for what. And coming to the details here, assistant registrar accounts, one post, okay, 70,000 rupees per month, consolidated, age limit is 65 years, and software developer, one post, 50,000 rupees, age limit is 40 years, and a deployment engineer, 30,000, one post, age limit is 35 years. Coming to the assistant registrar, the essential qualifications required are first class bachelor's degree or its equivalent or above in commerce department from a recognized university or the institute. Coming to the software developer, BTech or BE in CSE or IT or MCA from a recognized university or institute and Java certified programmer. And coming to the deployment engineer, diploma in CSE or IT or BCA from a recognized board or university or institute. Fine. And the period of engagement for 1 year initially and may be extended further on the basis of performance review and as decided by the institute after a mandatory break in service. Fine. So here the application form is mentioned, so you may check down, guys. And next we will see the notification regarding the teaching faculty. Yeah, so actually this notice came on 8th July 2021 and the last date is 25th July 2021. The ID, mail ID that you have to send the application form as well as the necessary documents is register@nitmz.ac.in, and application fee and everything is the same. So coming to the details here, what are the different subjects and what are the qualifications required? So yeah, this one, electronics and communication engineering, so temporary faculty, one post, either PhD or else MTech or MA in the relevant discipline with first class 60% marks or CGPA at both bachelor's and the master's level. Okay, and here the specializations are also mentioned. So coming to the departments, mechanical, computer science, civil engineering, total 7 vacancies are there. And for PhD candidates, they will pay 70,000 rupees per month, and for PG candidates, they will pay 63,000 rupees per month. And period of engagement is shall be for 1 semester and may be expanded by 1 more semester up to maximum 5 semesters on the basis of performance review and as decided by the institute after a mandatory break in service. Fine. So these are the points, guys, and here the application form is also kept here, so all the interested candidates may check out this one, and I will provide this official website link in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates once go through this one, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profiling. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.